For replacement of a AirTag battery, you need a flathead screwdriver, a mini version of that, followed by, of course, the 2032 battery. So get that from your nearest store. And after that, you basically begin by pressing the AirTag and twisting anti-clockwise, and you will see that it'll open. Sometimes the battery directly pops out. Otherwise, you need to use that flathead screwdriver to slowly remove it from those tabs. Once you do that, get your new battery from the battery pack. Sometimes that is also difficult because they usually have those child locks in each of those battery packs, which is very good. Place that correctly in the right orientation. Put that silver metal clasp back and twist it clockwise. Once it's tightened, check it back up, connect it with your iPhone, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and support.